You can't trust an artist that just makes good records. We are all selfish, and I no more trust myself than others with a good motive. Trust me, sometimes God comes down and put his hand on you if you are too big in your thoughts. Brands are all about trust. That trust is built in drops and lost in buckets. It's no fun being a loser, trust me. When a man assumes a public trust, he should consider himself a public property. Faith is trust in ultimate meaning. It's that preparation that goes into each week. We have a term. Trust your training, trust your teammate, and trust yourself. We must weed out corruption and build a strong system of justice that the people can trust. Trust is that rare and priceless treasure that wins us the affection of our Heavenly Father. Airbnb has proven that hospitality, generosity, and the simple act of trust between strangers can go a long way. Don't trust all men but trust man of wood. The former course is silly, the latter a mark of prudence. When the people we love stop paying attention, trust begins to slip away and hurt starts seeping in.